Good morning, Oasis Bobcats. Today is Monday, February 22nd. It's the last week of February. Please join me in the Pledge of Allegiance by standing up, placing your right hand over your heart, and taking off any hat if you're wearing one. Ready? Begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you, Oasis Bobcats, for joining me in the Pledge of Allegiance. As I said, this is the last week of February. And teachers, you know what that means. Last week of the month is submissions for our next Student of the Month set. So teachers, please make sure to have your names, pictures, and blurbs into myself, Miss Witt, and Mrs. Suhako no later than Friday at 3 p.m. So if you're going to send that via email, you're going to send it into Mrs. Suhako and you can CC me. You can always text me as well if you have my cell phone number. If you need my cell phone number, just email me and I can get it to you. So teachers, please have Student of the Month 3-part submissions in no later than Friday at 3 o'clock. Students, can you help out a teacher and some of your classmates with a project? Mrs. Fancy would really appreciate it if you could. Mrs. Fancy is the independent study teacher for 4th, 5th, and 6th grade, and she wants to do a project with her class. But in order to do that project, she needs some empty cereal boxes. So if you've got some empty cereal boxes laying around the house, or if you finish up your cereal this week, please drop those off with Miss Vicky, Miss Latoya, any of our front office staff between now and March 1st. And Mrs. Fancy would really appreciate those empty cereal boxes for her class's project. As always, Thursday is food pickup. Our nutrition staff works really hard each week to provide nutritious and delicious meals for our Bobcat families, so please make sure that you are in line for the NPR Roundabout between 9 and 10:30 each Thursday. I think that's it for morning announcements, and I will see you next week for morning announcements and our March Student of the Month. Have a great week, Bobcats!